So what brought you here? What was it that attracted you to this event?
I wanted to be taken seriously.
Okay.
I have a vision, I have a dream that is still in my head. It's a lot of it is all in my head, and on paper. It is on paper, but it's communicating it to people is the first step to being taken seriously. But then I feel like putting your money where your mouth is and being able to walk the walk, and not just that, oh, I put my money in it is enough, but put my money into it, know why I'm putting it into it, and also be able to execute on the ideas.
Excellent. Yeah. What's the one key takeaway that you'll take to your business idea when you leave this event?
After listening to everybody, I have a great urge, even though there were some conversations that we don't need a business plan. I know I need one for sure, and I have my reasons why. And then also, I was careful enough to study the people I needed to collect contact with, and come up with ideas on how I feel like a relationship with them will help support my business idea better. So it's executing on those ideas are my next steps.
Excellent. And tomorrow's expectations. You're coming tomorrow, correct?
Yep.
What do you hope to get out of tomorrow's sessions?
Absorb knowledge. I'm coming open-minded, open ears. So it's more receive information and less so formulate a strategy for tomorrow. So then maybe after tomorrow, once I finish the day, I can better understand how God wants me to use those ideas.
Excellent. And where did you travel in from?
I'm from here,
You're
Chapel
local.
Hill.
That's right.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay.